The destination, everybody looks at, right? Nobody looks at the process. But when you look at the process, that's the prize.
It was not about the subscribers, the car, the watch, or any of that. It was about the man that you have to become to get to that point.
But you gotta somewhere along the line figure out how to enjoy yourself.
It isn't that I wake up thinking, oh, well, my biceps this big. It's that I had to fucking do 1,000 curls and it really hurts, but I kept on showing up to do them anyway. So that now anytime I walk past the mirror, I'm reminded that younger me did this for me. That's what the benefit is.
And the truth is, the price of progress is pain.
Somewhere along the line, figure out how to just go as hard as you can, but also enjoy it. Try to enjoy it, because that changes the whole tone of the experience, and I think that makes you more successful.
Like, you know, when other people are watching, like, I don't know, sports or whatever, when they're eating, they're watching movies or TV shows, but you're watching podcasts. That's the difference.